World No Tobacco Day theme for the year 2021 is Commit to Quit. About 6 million people die from tobacco related ailments every year, and that number is projected to rise over 8 million by 2030. 1 million people die in our country, India, every year due to tobacco consumption. So each year, the World Health Organization (WHO) hold No Tobacco Day on 31st of May. The goal is to spread awareness about the risk of tobacco use and how we can make the world tobacco free. Tobacco is the leading cause of many respiratory disorders like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, tuberculosis, and other lung diseases. Now let us look why World No Tobacco Day is important for all of us. Firstly, it shows how tobacco industry contribute to poverty. About 80% of death due to tobacco happens in middle and low socioeconomic countries due to additional money that could be used in education, healthcare and food go to tobacco industry. Then, secondly, it warns us of the danger of second-hand smoke. Worldwide, around 780 million people say they want to quit smoking, but only 30% of them have access to the tools that can help them to do so. Quitting smoking has a major and immediate health benefit. Within 20 minutes of quitting smoking, the heart rate and the blood pressure comes down to the normal level. Within 12 hours of quitting smoking, carbon monoxide level in your blood decreases. 2 to 12 weeks after you quit smoking, your circulation improves and your lung function increases. 1 to 9 months, coughing and shortness of breath decreases. 5 to 15 years after you quit smoking, your stroke rate reduces to that of a non-smoker. 10 years after, risk of lung cancer decreases to about half of that of a smoker, and risk of your cancer of mouth, throat, esophagus, bladder, cervix and pancreas decreases. 15 years post quitting the smoking, risk of heart disease is same as that of a non-smoker. People of course enjoy smoking, but they do not realize that more than 6 lakh people die just standing next to the smoke. And sadly, 28% among those are children who doesn't know about the smoke, about the cigarette and do not want to smoke even. Chronic lung disease is a very big common disease. It is the third most common cause of death in our country and it is worsened by smoking. My message to all the citizens of our country to keep away from tobacco, to keep away from smoking, may it be in any form, may it be in smoking, may it be in chewing. So please keep away from smoking, please keep away from tobacco. The best way to stay away or to quit tobacco is to never start at all. Thank you so much.